And a real woman has real dreams. Can buy her own things, cause a real woman has her own means.
Hey pretty girls with the poppin' curls. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below. Also, make sure you turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you like this video and comment down below and share this video so we can keep growing this pretty girl fam. And this is just a disclaimer before we get started and to letting you guys see my journey. Wherever you are in your journey, make sure you savor it, love it, appreciate it, because I feel like at the beginning, I didn't appreciate it enough. Like sometimes I wish I could go back to like certain places, like certain times and appreciate it more, do more styles with it. Like, I mean, now I'm more knowledgeable, so that also comes with it. So, you know, I know more things I could have done with my hair, but just make sure you love your hair at every stage of it when you're learning it. I really love how much I learned my hair. Like me looking at the video with y'all, I was like, wow. Like I learned how to style my hair at the beginning. I did not know how to do a twist out. Well, I didn't know how to do braids. I didn't know how to do flat twist. Yeah, only thing I could do is plait and regular regular 2-strand twist. So yeah, I learned how to do a lot of my hair. I also saw when I properly learned how to moisturize, and when I properly learned how to moisturize, that probably was like around starting year 4. So also started in 2015. So you know, it wasn't that many people to learn from in 2015 doing natural hair, or it was different products out. So yeah, everything is evolving and your hair, it gets to evolve with it. So make sure you guys appreciate it. I hope you guys like this video. If you're thinking about going natural, I hope this video can convince you hair grows. You can cut it and it's definitely going to grow back. Just learn your hair. Everybody's hair is different. One person has different textures of hair in their head. You might have different porosities in your one head also. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. I really do hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. I just love it. Yes.
Do like you do.
Fall has finally arrived, and with it, all the flavors of the season. Fall is all about bringing people together around delicious.
Hold me tight and don't.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
Let go, what am I to do? Love me like you do, like you do. Hold me tight and don't let go. Baby, 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 teach me, teach me, teach me. Show me, show me, show me the way to your heart. Oh my baby, baby, begging lady, lady. Put me in the middle. It's where I'ma start.
work for it, everything I got. Now turn on the lights, I'm looking for him too. I heard he keep his promises and never turn on you. I heard he ain't gon' cheat and he gon' never make no move. I heard he be there anytime you need him, he come through. Now turn on the lights, I'm looking for him, I'm looking for him, I'm looking for him.